In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you manage a small business or handle finances for a larger organization, having the ability to quickly duplicate an invoice can be a real lifesaver when it's time to tackle your bookkeeping tasks. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's get you signed in. Open your browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. On the main screen, you'll see a sign in button. Click on that to start the process. It's important that you choose QuickBooks Online when prompted to select the right version, especially since the interface can vary slightly across different QuickBooks products. Entering your credentials is the next step. This is simply your username and password, the same ones you use every time you log in. Once you've filled in those fields, hit continue, and this will get you into the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online, where all the magic happens. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu bar. You'll want to click on Sales. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your incoming cash flow. After you click Sales, beneath it you should find an option labeled Invoices. Go ahead and give that a click as well. This is going to bring you to a list of all your past invoices. On the invoices page, you'll notice each entry has a small drop-down arrow on the right side. Locate the invoice you want to duplicate and click on that little drop-down arrow. This action reveals several options, one of which is Duplicate. Click Duplicate to create an exact copy of the selected invoice. The duplicated invoice will now open up, allowing you to make any necessary revisions. This is incredibly handy if you need to change the date, update item details, or just correct any errors from the original invoice. Make sure to review all the details carefully. It's always good practice to double check amounts, descriptions, and any customer details that may have changed. Once you're satisfied with the edits you've made, it's time to save your document. Look for the Save button, typically at the bottom or top corner of the page. Click on it and your revised invoice is now saved and ready to be sent to the customer. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've seamlessly duplicated an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This small tip can really streamline your workflow, cutting down the time it takes to process similar transactions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it aids in making your bookkeeping tasks just a bit easier. If you've got any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out our other helpful guides or reach out to your QuickBooks support team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.